Hey everyone, it's Tina from Tina Hoy's Art, and welcome to round 8 of Creative Whispers. For those of you who are new here and following for the first time, this wonderful secret type of art journaling challenge was created by Lisa Young. So, Lisa Young creates her page based on a secret prompt that no one else knows, and she does offer us a clue, and this month's clue is supplies. The game also involves three other artists, myself included, Wendy and Gabrielle. So once Lisa completes her page, she will send it off to the second artist. In this case, it is Wendy, who then views it and hmm, decides on what she thinks that secret prompt is based on what's happening on the video and considering the hint, which is supply. She then fires off her video to Gabrielle, who does the same. And finally, I see only Gabrielle's video, and I then interpret what I saw into my art journal. So I'm gonna you know, uh, go through what I've done so far here. And what I did was seal my page with some clear gesso. And I wanted to use clear gesso because I wanted the book page revealed on the bottom just for, the first layer of texture. And then before it was dry, I used a calligraphy sort of pen and I scribbled some affirmations for myself in the wet gesso, dried it completely, and now I'm just going in and throwing around some watercolor. And um, by no means am I a watercolor artist at all, so yet that's why I'm throwing it in there. And I decided to grab a piece of cellophane wrap and experiment with it and see what happens. And yeah, let's witness what happens here. I think I enjoyed it a little too much, but is there such a thing? So it leaves behind a nice texture. I think if I let it, left it for a few more minutes to dry completely or overnight, it would leave uh, a better print behind. But in this case, I was in a bit of a hurry and I'm going with what's happening right now, and we'll do that another time. So I'm going to continue with this and try different techniques with that plastic wrap until I'm satisfied, and then move on to the next layer on my journal. And you're going to see after I finish here that I did cut off the video because I was searching for something, and then I started again. And in between that time, I found a piece of paper that was already cut out on my desk, and I'm going to use it as a border. So it worked out just perfectly. And then I made a little cluster and I put that on the sewing machine as well. So you're going to witness that. Here I decided that, you know what, let's throw the paint right on the plastic wrap and use it as a stamp. And I really, really like the way those blotches turned out. They're very organic and I really enjoy that. So yeah, that's pretty much what I did. And I hope you enjoy my process. I'm going to stop recording in a minute and just put some music on for you to enjoy. We'd love for you to play along. And if you do create your own video, please reach out to Lisa Young and she would add it to our playlist. For your pages uh, on Instagram, please tag us and use the hashtag Creative Whispers Round 8 because we'd love to see your work. We'd love to share it and, let your friends know and let's have some fun.